Good morning, everyone. How's everybody doing today? I'm so ready for today. Okay, so I don't see any change on the market today. SPY keeps on the same range, and we're opening a little bit down, just a little bit, but it's pretty much flat. QQQ, it looks weaker than SPY. And I was expecting that because of the 326, 327 resistance. Amazon is holding pretty good here at almost 111. Not looking bad at all. It's what I want to see on Amazon. I took a little bit profits yesterday and I'm still holding a few contracts there. I'm holding some Amazon and then I also took some profits yesterday. Amazon, what's the target? Your next resistance is it should be your target. So for Amazon, your next take profit should be 112 and then 113 and then 114. That's how I do it. I take profits on next resistance. Google looks kinda interesting here with a triple top around 118.30, but the thing is, like, yeah, it's a right at the top at resistance, but Google, it's been like very strong. So if I want to play puts on a stock, I want to play them on the weak one, not on the strongest one. um what's the other one? Oh, Tesla. I'm also watching Tesla. Um, I want to see if Tesla can keep holding 166. That's a good support there. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm watching. Mostly it's SPY and QQQ. But QQQ, it's already like gone. It's already like down almost $1. Yeah, $1 down. We'll see. Good morning, everyone. Are you guys watching anything? Morning, morning. Lulu. Let's see Lulu. Okay, what are you watching on Lulu? Hmm, I don't know. Bearing today. What? Okay, Lulu. Um, Lulu, okay, is kinda at a double top here. Yeah, 490. Looks like a good resistance there, like a very strong resistance on Lulu. Um, yeah, that's what I see. But also you can see like like a wedge like that, and it's kind of support. And then you have another one support here. So yeah, rejection at 380 here. Mm, maybe 380. Okay, see, I like more 381, but it's kind of the same. Yeah, Amazon rejection out of 114 is a good one. I like that one. Lulu could make a head and shoulder. Like you have left shoulder here, head, and then make another and make the right shoulder and then go down. That could be a good one also. Alright. Main watches, Spy and QQQ. Mm. Yeah, Spy and QQQ. Amazon is kind of strong right now. We'll see. Okay. Okay, these are my main watches. The four that I have on my screen. I also watch in Apple. It's in my other screen. And the 171 hold on Apple looks interesting. And Tesla, it's kind of losing 166. That's another one. That could be a good play. If Tesla hold 166, could be a good one for a call. If he loses, which is now losing it, it's at 165.60, could be a good play for puts. Yeah, Tesla is falling. Apple had a strong bounce out of 171.30. Let's see, maybe I put Apple here and then I watch Google on my other screen. Whoa. Okay. We're open. Let's see. So far, SPY looking a little bearish. We'll see if we can hold here. QQQ is gonna try to fill the gap to 326.80. Google going, it's strong. Let's see. Apple too. Yeah, Apple out of these daily support, it's a good play also. But it's already gone. So Tesla, very weak. Let's see if Amazon can break a 112. It's 112, around 112, 24, 25, around there. Damn. Awesome. Yeah, Amazon, I really like Amazon. If the market keeps going up, which it's a little bit difficult, we'll see. Like QQQ needs to break 327 for all tech to move higher. Morning. I think now you can see the ticker on the top. Yeah. No problem. Yeah. Move a little bit. There. Yeah, QQQ at 327 resistance. We'll see. Yeah, 327 on QQQ is a very strong resistance, but I want to wait for a confirmation because on the daily, yesterday was a very bullish candle, the one before also. So for me, it's kind of consolidating around resistance. And when I see consolidation near resistance, it means that it might break it. So we gotta wait. We only have 4 minutes, 5 minutes in on the market. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait a little bit. Apple is strong, so that's gonna move the market. No, I'm not watching Meta. What's Meta doing? Let me check. No, I don't like Meta. Meta, it's right at resistance and it's rejecting already 237. So Meta for me, in fact, Meta is a good put play if the market is weak. Okay, let's see here because what I see here on SPY, it filled the gap that it made from open, like from yesterday to today. So now it's right at resistance around 412.23. So that could be a good rejection point. And also QQQ it's a resistance. So we'll see if SPY can break here this resistance for 12, 24, 25 around there, or it's gonna reject. QQQ is still fighting, so I want to wait a little bit. Apple is too strong, so that's gonna move the market. Look, Amazon. Amazon is near my first profit taking target. Okay, that's what I want to see on SPY. I'm getting ready to take some puts on SPY. But okay, so it's gonna be, I'm not taking it yet, I'm just making everything ready. So it's gonna be 411 for tomorrow. Expiration. Okay. Okay, I'm taking some profits on Amazon here. Yeah, I got spied at 116. So my stop loss is this week for 12.24. I'm gonna add a little bit more at 110 for tomorrow. Yeah. I got 411 on SPY for tomorrow. I'm gonna use um uh if it is above 412.40, around there it's my stop loss. Added, I'm gonna add a little more at 93. I added a little bit more there. So my average is $1 per contract. Okay, I don't want to see SPY above 412.50. Okay, I'm out. That's a very strong move on SPY. Look, Amazon, that's beautiful. See why I didn't want to take puts here? Because when I see a stock like consolidating near resistance, for me that's a sign that it's strong and it might break that resistance. So QQQ was consolidating below resistance for like 3 days, and then you today broke that 327 resistance with a strong candle here. So now for me, the next resistance is, let me check, around 328.50, 328.40. It's my next resistance on QQQ. and that's a strong break. So yeah, I got stopped out on SPY, but I'm very happy with my Amazon play. Look, Apple. Apple was beautiful. It bounced at 172, which was a very strong support on the daily. Who's Mike? 17%, 70% up on Amazon. That's gonna be 100. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be 100% play. Yeah, you can say it's a 3-bar play on QQQ, definitely. Yeah. See, you just need one good swing trade for the week. And that's Amazon for me. Um, Bank of America. I don't really play Bank of America. I don't like how Bank of America move. I don't trade stocks that move by like $1. The play it's Amazon from yesterday. You can't compare my SPY loss with Amazon. Amazon, it's my contracts are around 85% up. SPY was a quick loss, like a very small loss. So you can't compare a almost 100% trade with a 13% loss. Yeah, that's my favorite emoji. Okay. So yeah, my next target on Amazon is 113.20. Ooh, that's a hard rejection there. I'm gonna take a little bit more on Amazon and just gonna leave one runner there. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I can see now like 413 is the resistance there. But we'll see. Because it's still holding, that's holding there. So I don't see so far, I don't see a clear trend either on SPY or QQQ. I'm just gonna wait a little bit. We gotta be patient. You know why I don't love SPY puts? Yeah, it looks weak. It looks like it's losing pre-market support kind of, but QQQ it's above resistance. So now 327, 326.80, it's gonna act as support. So if I want to take puts, I want to see the entire market weak. And SPY, yeah, looks a little bit weak, but Apple is strong. So I don't want to trade against Apple. And I wanted to take calls here on Apple at the open, but it ran too fast without me. Like I had that 171, 172 zone for calls, but it moved too fast. And so QQQ, it's probably gonna use 327 or 326.80 at support, but and I like it that there for calls, but for a quick bounce. But SPY is weak, so again, I don't want to trade SPY against QQQ or QQQ against SPY. Okay. I guess I was a little early for that spy put play. Let's see. Let's see if QQQ can hold 327 or 326.70. Yeah, let's see if we can hold here. Google is very strong. It it's a it's getting near yesterday's high. Let's see if Google can break that. Ooh. Wait, I wanna see what QQQ is gonna do. Well, AMD broke downtrend. And it's right at resistance. So Tesla dumping. Tesla probably is gonna fill the gap to 162.75. That's a gap that I see on Tesla. I did post it on the Discord. But on Discord, I'm only gonna post swing trades. It's too difficult for me to post like quick trades on just by pictures and writing there. That's why I never post on Discord my quick plays. It's too difficult for me to follow that. And for you guys, it's difficult for you guys to follow those plays. Okay, I like QQQ there. Um, let's see. It's just like I don't love Spy, what Spy is doing. Yeah, we don't we Vince and I we trade a little bit different. Mm. Yeah, QQQ needs to hold here, but Spice is weak. In fact, um, Nvidia triple top. Let me check. Mm, what's the triple top? I don't. That's not a really. It could be a double top there, but Nvidia looks too strong. I like Spy for puts and QQQ for calls, so I'm gonna wait a little bit. Google, it's very strong. AMD, very strong. That maybe help Nvidia to keep moving up. It doesn't have to be both on the same direction. I just think it's better that way. So you have less risk for your trade to go against you if you have both SPY and QQQ on moving on the same direction. Tesla looks weak for me, so it's still haven't changed the trend. It's still in a downtrend. I'm gonna try to get QQQ calls for tomorrow, 328 at I got at 99, and my stop loss is under 326.83. Yeah. I like that it's holding support, it's holding VWAP, and it's holding 9 EMA. Tomorrow, for tomorrow expiration. I don't do 0 DT. It's very weird if I do it. Again, this is not like the best trade because SPY looks a little bit bearish. Let me see what Apple is doing. Oh, Apple is going down. I like more SPY puts, honestly. We'll see, we'll see. We're still holding there. Okay, let's see. I'm getting ready to stop out. Let's see. Now I'm gonna get out because I don't like what SPY is doing. Yeah. Okay. So two losers today, one big winner. So far, I'm still green because of Amazon. So that's why you guys need to like take profit and then leave some runners. So you can have like a bigger winners than losers. So that QQQ put, sorry, Coldplay, that it was only like 3% down. I had some contracts with 3%, others with 7%. And SPY was 13%. But Amazon, I locked profits at 30%, 40%, 85, and 70%. So we'll see if QQQ is really going lower, because okay, what I see on the daily, it's like we have this is a very strong rejection here. That wick looks very ugly on the daily so far. But on the smaller time frame, QQQ is holding 130 loss. How many contracts do you have for that? And how long do you hold? Also, like it doesn't matter how much money I win or I lose. What it matters to me are the percentages. Money, like I don't even check the P&L. Never. I don't see the P&L. Okay. Between SPY and QQQ, got it. Yeah, process matter. QQQ is still fighting, but it looks bearish. Mm. Look, like what Amazon's doing here is telling me that this is still very strong because the market is going down, but Amazon is flagging and it's holding like very good. Let's see how is the volume here. Still has like good volume. Yep. I don't have a stop loss on my Amazon runners. I don't care what it's gonna happen with those runners. I only have 2 runners, so I don't care. And I already took a lot of profit. So right now it's up to you when to sell Amazon. Or what's your stop loss now? Mm-mm. And we're holding here. Tesla, Tesla. Tesla is run, it's holding like very good 165. That's a okay. Let me show you here. Tesla. So we can say um this is its support zone, very strong support on Tesla just by looking the reaction here. The risk to reward here on Tesla looks amazing. But again, the market it doesn't look too good. Are you serious? So now QQQ stopped me out and also Nasdaq. I'm sorry, QQQ and SPY both stopped me out. But the trade was like the in the right direction. Morning Ray. Yeah, I'm gonna do this live stream from Monday to Friday every day. Monday till Friday. No, I don't use hard stop. Only mental. Okay. Mm. Okay, the volume on the Q is good. So this high volume, higher than the one before, it's important there. CRM? No, I don't have CRM morning. AI, it's breaking 24. 26, I think is the other one. Don't remember. 24 is a very strong one. And then you have 25 also. Yeah, you have 25 and 26. 25 is the next one. But is it still under the 24 resistance. So it needs to really break 24, and then for me AI to keep going needs to break 24 and then retest it. And you want to see 24 acting as support and then can keep going. Yeah, you definitely want to see breaking 24, but with a strong candle like this one, but higher. Google is very strong. It broke the one, the daily resistance here. That's why I didn't want to get puts on Google. I didn't like it for puts because it was too strong. It was the strongest on tech the past few days. I like what the Q is doing. I really like it because he's holding support here. And yeah, it's not doing much, but it's holding support. So for me, if we break resistance and then acting as support, that for me is a confirmation that the next move is higher, not lower. And that's gonna help our Amazon play. Damn Google. And see, Amazon was always holding VWAP and INEMA. So I'm not selling my two runners on Amazon. Okay, we have 85 people here and only 40 likes. We need more likes. More likes. I want to see like at least 80 likes. Go Amazon, go. Yeah, I'm gonna do another QQQ call. Um, three under 326.50. That's my stop loss for tomorrow. 328. It's my contract. I got it at 94. Thank you for the likes. Thank you. Okay. Okay, so let's go over. Okay, give me 1 second. 13. Okay, let's go over this QQQ play. So the idea here is, first of all, QQQ broke the very strong resistance, which was 326.85, 327. Then what I really like now is that it's using that resistance as support. So for me, that's a bullish indicator that it's holding support now, that it used to be resistance, which is basically a break and retest. So I'm gonna hold my calls unless QQQ breaks 326.45. That's my stop loss. So far, I really like it, the consolidation here on this area. Also, if you see, okay, we had this candle that it went a little bit below support, but the next one is a green engulfing candle, which means this candle is bigger than the one before, so your trend now is bullish. Ooh, Amazon about to hit my, and that's the third price target for me. So my first target for calls for the QQQ calls is 328. 328 is a good one. Almost. Okay, Amazon just hit my third price target. So I only have two runners. I think I'm gonna just leave them alone because the queue looks bullish. So I'm just gonna leave those two runners go. Yeah. Finally today. Yeah. Okay, it's approaching my first. Yeah. This is your next resistance, 328. So that's how I take profits. Like my next resistance, 328. So I'm gonna take a little bit of profits there, and then that way I don't have like I don't put any risk on my play. And now you can move up your stop loss to, you can move it up to 327.10. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of profits there. Okay, I took 30% there. Yeah, that could be a double top there. But so far, for me, still looks bullish. But that's why I like to take profit on resistance. The thing that I don't like about the market today is SPY. It's having a lot of trouble with um 41158. That for me is a resistance, so SPY is under resistance. That you can say also like pre-market under, pre-market low. So if a SPY keeps like having trouble under pre-market low, for me that's bearish. And keeps having problem around 412 also. I can see it has a strong rejection here on 412 and also another strong rejection here on 412. So SPY doesn't look too good, but it also it's not like giving us any continuation for the downtrend or uptrend. So we can do something like this. Maybe it's easier to see it like that. That's your downtrend and that's your uptrend there. And for me here on the 5 minutes, right now VWAP and NEMA are not doing anything because SPY is your just moving in a range. It doesn't have a clear direction. So 9EMA and VWAP doesn't work when you don't have like a clear direction on the market. Today's a very boring day, honestly. But I'm very happy with Amazon. Like that play for me, perfect. So also, I think you guys need kind of to remember that my way of trading is not like quick plays. I like to trade, my way of trading is more like the Amazon play. I don't trade much like the SPY and QQ trades that I did today. So what I like to do is I just play most of the time swing trades. Sometimes it can be a day trade, but most of the time are swing trades. So swing trades give you need more time, at least a few days, to play it out. And that way of trading, it could be a little bit boring for the stream because it's slower, but it's less stress. $174%, awesome. See, that's the only thing you need, like, you don't need like to play like quick 5%, 3%, 2%, maybe 10% trades. You only need one very good trade, no stress. Just put your alerts on your stop loss, your alerts on the profit target or target for profits, and that's it. You don't need anything else. Unless you have like a you trade in the morning and then you have to go to work, and that's a little bit different. But still, you can still trade like swing trades and only put alerts, and that's it. You sold early. I wouldn't be sad if you sold early, but you need to, if you want to trade like me, you need to like get comfortable looking the bigger picture. Like why I took Amazon here yesterday. It was very clear for me that 109, 110, it was a daily support. And I was expecting a bounce here or just a like consolidation around that area. Also, I said yesterday that I wasn't expecting like a big move on Amazon yesterday. I was expecting like more on the day, like today or tomorrow. Because when you check the daily chart and you play out of bigger time frames, you really need to get to understand that you need more time. It's not the same entering a play on a 5 minutes or 15 or 30 minutes than entering a play on the one day or on the daily or on the weekly chart. You need to like really pay attention to that because it's different time that you need. Thank you for the likes. Thank you. Well, you got one contract with 70%. That's more than enough. Like little by little, everything adds up. Okay. The 15-minute chart is still bullish because it's making inside candles on a big green candle. So, yeah, so far it's not looking that bad. But again, you want to see it holding here. This green area here. You want to see it holding there. Weird day, yeah, weird day. In fact, we had weird days the past like 2 weeks. If it wasn't because the SPY is moving so weird, I will be looking to swing trade this Apple here, Apple calls here. Okay. Okay, I might enter Apple, but I want to see a few more like green candles here or a engulfing candle here. Because these 15 minutes so far looks bearish. Days like today's, I don't really like to trade it because it's so boring. Oh, everything moves like very slow. Oopsie. Okay. Okay, I want to see Apple doing this. I want a little bit higher. A little bit. Yeah, but honestly, I don't think we're gonna get a big move today. Amazon's so beautiful. If you see how Amazon opened today, it was like perfect. It opened right at yesterday's support. Like, look how this candle from yesterday, the daily candle from yesterday, it had support around 111, 111.10, 111.20, and that's where we had Amazon open today. Also pre-market load hold. Yeah, this open on Amazon was very bullish. Are we gonna get like another small candle on the daily on SPY? That's why. Why it's not moving? Nothing is moving here. Look at this. Nothing. We have nothing. But also, it could be a diamond pattern here, and that's bearish. So the next move will be, damn, dead. But I don't really play out of those type of things. I prefer to wait for confirmation, but now confirmations are not even working. But so far, QQQ is doing what we wanted to see it doing with our calls. Although I would love if QQQ just go high to 24, 324.80. I'm sorry, 324.40, and I sell, and that's it. Yeah, Apple looks great. Looks great because your stop loss is very near. So that's a very good risk to reward. It just the market is not doing anything. So yeah, it could move. Apple could move higher, slowly higher. But if you wanna be like sitting on your computer all day, you can play Apple. The hottest? No, no. It's on November. It's very difficult. I think it was November. I think it was November last year or 2 years ago. Not with elections. With election was very hard. No, this market's been easy, honestly. It's just the past 5 days it's been weird. But this market so far it's been like very easy for me. You just gotta know when to not trade. Like every time the Feds are gonna talk, you shouldn't trade because you know the market's gonna move weird. The day before Feds talk also move weird, so don't trade those days. My stop loss it will be under around 171.80. That would be my stop loss. But yeah, Apple looks great for calls. What's the 30-minute doing? Okay, if you see Apple, what it did yesterday, it didn't do anything. It went up, open, no, it gap up and then went down to this support and then it stayed on this support the entire day. So we could have something like that. Okay, watch for a double top here on Amazon from the 11th. It could be a double top there. So far, it's moving great. Like, look how easy Oh, wait. What's this? So, okay, this is a very good way or easy to see how to use the 9EMA and the VWAP. It's just another confirmation for you to follow the trend. So you can do something like this, or I think it looks more clean with the 9EMA, which is the pink line, and the VWAP, which is my purple line. So as long as you see the 9EMA going higher and being like it's been on an uptrend, and also the VWAP, it's on an uptrend, that you know the trend is your friend. So if you see the 9EMA and the VWAP going up with the stock, that it tells you the buyers are still in. The volume, it keeps going good and high. That's how you use the 9EMA and the VWAP to keep being in a trade. You can also do something like this, so maybe it gets easier for you if you see, okay, so we're on an uptrend, so what's my next resistance? My next support or resistance is around here. So as long as we're holding this support, very good. And then you can do it again here. That's your clear resistance there, and now it's acting as support there. So that's another one. And then you can keep going like that. Like your next resistance could be here, and now it is acting as support. So you can use support and resistance for your profit targets or your stop loss, or the 9EMA. I like more the 9EMA because it's faster than the VWAP. So the VWAP is always like lagging a little bit. So you know if breaks the 9EMA. So if you are on calls here, the 9EMA keeps acting as support and it keeps going up, up, up. If you see the 9EMA kind of getting a little bit flat or a little bit lower, so you know the buyers or the sellers are stepping in, or the buyers are getting tired there. But this looks beautiful. I've been trading for a little bit more than 6 years. Okay, so I want to see QQQ breaking this clear resistance here, 328. Is your resistance so far on QQQ? So I want to see that breaking. So looking by what Amazon is doing, also Google is very strong and it's holding. Apple is holding. So far right now, I don't think the market is gonna keep going down. Amazon is about to hit my overall profit target, which is 114. So because I have two runners, I'm gonna sell one here, and then the other one is 100% risk free. Damn, QQQ. Yay. Okay. I'm getting ready to take more profit on QQQ because 328.40 is my next resistance. So that's where I'm gonna take profit there. So yeah, 50% on QQQ. Amazon is almost 200%. A gap fill on QQQ. Let's see. 3:30. What? Oh, what? Oh yeah, we have a gap fill from on QQQ from, yeah, well, no. We have a gap fill from 326.88 till 324.40, which is my resistance, my next resistance. And then we have a gap fill from 329.37 till till 332. So we have a lot of resistance here on QQQ. We have resistance at 328, 30, 34, and then we have resistance again at 329.35, and then we have resistance at 330.50, and then if we break 330.50, then we're going to 334 easy. But we have a lot of resistance from here to 334. So one at a time. But yeah, that was a beautiful 3-bar play on QQQ with a very strong candle breaking resistance. So see, like we hit 328.40 and we got rejected very hard there. So that's why I take profits on my resistance. I use both wicks and bodies. Oh yeah, trust yourself always. That's what I do with my charts. I use my TA. I don't care what people told me for trade. I only trust my TA. Like today is a very weird day because it's a boring day, but we have like a very good trade with Amazon. Like I'm very happy with that one. And then I got a stop out on Spy, but it was the right trade. It's just like Spy, it's meh today. It's not doing anything. I got a stop out on my calls on QQQ, but also it was the right trade to make. And then I got 30% on QQQ calls, and I'm still holding that one. But I don't think we're gonna break 328.50 today on QQQ. But it's strong. It's very strong. Bye. Have a great day. Thank you for liking the video, guys. Thank you. And for being here also. It means a lot to me. Tesla looking like let's see Tesla. I think it's too late for Tesla right now. Tesla to enter Tesla, yeah, it was here at this support that I said. I talked about it early in the morning. 165 was a 165, 166 was a great hold, and also a very good risk to reward there to enter on Tesla because that's a daily support. But now, no, I wouldn't enter anything now, mostly because QQQ is right at resistance. So, like I always said, you want to enter calls at the bottom. If you're looking for a put, you want to enter puts at the top. I don't want anything in the middle. Carla, it depends how many contracts you had on AMD. And also depends, like I say, if you have a small account, I think it's fine to just be happy with whatever percentage you have. Like 100%, even for a big account, that's amazing. I mean, if you have 100% on $1,000 account, that's $1,000 more. If you had 100% on 100,000 account, that's huge also. So forget about like the PNL. Forget about like, oh, I'm selling too early. 100%, it's amazing. Like 5% is good on any trade. Damn, Google is keeps going. Well, one contract 100%, that's great. I don't see why you're down. Unless you had a plan to sell at X point and then you sell before your plan. I think the most important thing first is to have a good plan and follow your plan. And then you can like get better at holding. But if you have a good plan and then you follow your plan, that's the right direction to go. I wouldn't take Amazon puts here. Yeah, it is at a very strong resistance, which is 114, but Amazon is too strong to go against the trend. Just by looking the daily chart here, what's your daily candle on Amazon? I don't want to play against it. Also, SPY is kind of trying to change here on bullish, and QQQ is strong today also. It kind of looks like Amazon, honestly, the daily on QQQ. So you don't want to go against the trend. You don't want to guess what's going to happen tomorrow or later today. You just want to trade with what the market is giving you right now. Meta. Let's see what Meta is doing. Yeah, Meta looks like flagging, but again, it's under resistance. And for me, Meta, it's on a very big resistance from um Amazon broke 114. So Meta for me needs to break 239, which is a big, it's on a big block for me. Like Meta resistance for me is between 237 and 239. So I don't like Meta, even though it's flagging, it looks kind of bullish here, but it's under pre-market low, so I don't love it. 172 on Apple should hold because I see him on pre-market and after yesterday support resistance pre-market was an important also level there. So yeah, but I wouldn't took. I'm not gonna take any calls here because QQQ is right under resistance and SPY is not doing anything and yeah, it's weakening, keeps weakening uh with VWAP. So it's fighting with VWAP. I don't even hear my alerts, so I'm gonna put it like this. Maybe with no volume, maybe my alerts, you guys wouldn't hear it. Yeah, I don't like I trade like very calm and slow. I don't That's why I don't use the 1 minute or 2 minute chart. It freaks me out. But also that's why my trades take a little bit time to develop because I use the bigger time frames. So I'm gonna sell just the rest of my QQQ calls just because it's right at resistance. ES like SPY doesn't look good. So yeah, I'm gonna sell the rest and I'm just gonna take my profits and be happy for the day. I'm green today with thanks to Amazon and QQQ. So I'm happy. Yeah. Like 40%, 50% on QQQ. 30%, more than happy. Yeah, more than happy with those plates. Do you guys hear my Discord alert also? Like early in the morning. I don't think now you can hear anything. Yeah, maybe Apple double bottom. Oh, early, not right now. Yeah, I think right now you guys wouldn't be able to hear anything, just me. Should I take Apple? Hmm. Ooh, I don't know. Apple looks very good. But nah, I'm not gonna take it. QQQ keeps waking here. And that's my resistance. So Spy is looking a little bit better. I don't know. I wouldn't go against Amazon right now. It definitely could go lower to the VWAP, which is my purple line, but yeah, I'm not looking to trade puts here. Honestly, I'm not looking to trade anything. I think you should trade either um early in the morning or before close, because I sometimes take swing trades right like 2 minutes or 5 minutes before close, because when I see the daily, if the daily is very bullish or very bearish, I take swing trades. Apple is calling me. It's just like I really like how Apple on the 5 minute it's looking, the daily don't love it, but I think it can go to 173 easy. But it's just that Spy and QQQ, like QQQ looks great on the daily, doesn't. I wouldn't take calls on spot on QQQ right now. It's just because it's right below resistance. It's not looking too strong, and in SPY, it's not doing anything. But it's still under 412, which for me, it's kind of bearish. Let's see Tesla, what Tesla is doing. It's not dying. I wouldn't say it's dying. Do you guys want to see anything else beside just charts and me, or you want to try anything like something different? What? Why is VWAP not working here? It's weird. Hmm. No, I don't use. I only use the 90 MA and VWAP on the 5 minutes. That's it. I don't use anything else. I'm so hungry. I'm hungry today. Yeah, never trade against the market. Never. It's just like when you trade against the market, you have higher probabilities that your trade is gonna go against you. Awesome. What's for lunch? I don't know. I gotta cook. I'm gonna I'm doing like a little cut. So my diet changed a little bit. So I'm eating very high on protein, low fat, and low carb. But I'm eating a lot. Just like chicken, fish, steak, and egg whites. A lot of egg whites and veggies. So I think I'm gonna cook some fish with veggies. Nope, nope, arroz y frijoles. Nope. Yeah, I know. I think I'm gonna open a Discord in the future. But so far, I like doing the stream just that way people can see what I'm seeing on the charts. Mira. Mm, yeah. Yeah, Meta looks great. I don't love it. So no, I'm not gonna trade Meta. Oh, what's AI doing? Ooh, AI looks great, but it needs to break 24, and it's having trouble at 24. Ooh, I love arepas. Maybe I eat arepa with egg. I'm gonna break my fast in like 30 minutes. So I might eat arepa because I have a lot of arepas in my freezer. I eat arepas every day for lunch or dinner. I love arepas. No, I don't have AI on my long term. I don't. Yeah, I fast for um around 16 hours. Like I this is how I eat. I eat when I finish the stream, which is around 12:30. That's when I break my fast, and then I work out, and then I eat again around 4, and then I eat like a little snack around 5, and that's when I finish eating. So I have two main big meal and one or two snacks. Okay, let's see if QQQ can hold 328.50. Nope, it's rejecting right now. Spy puts. I wouldn't play spy put or calls right now. Spy is not doing anything. I'm not gonna play. I don't like Amazon puts just because Amazon is too strong. Just check the daily candle. The daily candle is a huge green candle. Like that for me, that's too many buyers for me to go against them. I know. I love sweet and junk food, honestly. But I had to like change my diet because I gained like 20 pounds, which I already lost them in like 2 months. Okay. Okay, so that 114 on excuse me, on Amazon, yeah, I see it like it's a rejection and you can play a quick trade there. It just I don't like playing like scalps. I don't like risking my money for just 3 or 5% on a scalp. So that's why I wouldn't take it. No, I'm not gonna like show my portfolio. I don't feel comfortable showing anything that I own or have on YouTube. But it's very easy. Like you only need I'm gonna tell you. You only need um okay. You only need VYM, VOO, and VUE. Those are the only stocks that you need to hold. All three are Vanguard ETF. That's all you need. They pay, they don't take like their percentage that they take on your um hold is not too high. They don't charge much. Um and they make it's like literally like high yield ETF and very cheap. And they do all the work for you. So you don't need much. You only need those three. Vanguard ETF. I don't like picking stocks for my long term. Also, I don't really believe on long term portfolio. I do have one, but I don't believe on that. I believe on making on creating and growing businesses. I don't think the retirement way or the traditional American retirement way, it's a good way for you to like make money or to keep your money and then be safe when you're older. I don't think that works anymore. So, okay, um I have from Vanguard, I have VYM, VOO, and VUE, which VYM is the high dividend yield ETF. VOO is it's a spy pretty much, and VUE is the growth ETF. Thanks, Alejandro. Thank you for being here, really. Thanks everybody for being here. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for the likes also. That's a strong rejection on QQQ. I'm glad I sold and locked my profits. Thank you for watching. Thanks, Block. Block Plita. Matt, I it's just by watching a lot of videos, mostly by watching the charts all day, every day for years. So I find out that playing out of support and resistance on daily, it was what worked for me. I feel less stress when I trade like that. I can trade like quick ones, like out of the 1 minute, 2 minutes, that it will be scalps, but I just don't like it. Spy looking weak, like very. And also this daily candle on Spy is no bueno. Which I found like very funny the no bueno thing, because in Spanish we don't say no bueno. That's bad grammar. So no bueno, it's an American thing. We don't say no bueno, we say es malo, but we don't say no bueno. I I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I don't really prepare for my trades. I Because I trade out of my daily and support and resistance. I come here like 30 minutes before open, and then I just prepare my computer to to make sure everything's like the way I like it, and making sure the stream is gonna go like perfect. But I don't really prepare before the market open, because I always trade the same things. I always check SPY and QQQ, and I don't need to change much if I already have my support and resistance on the daily on my chart. So yeah. And if I'm trading like another stocks besides QQQ and SPY, those stocks are always also the same. Like it's Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, Nvidia, they're always the same. So it looks like QQQ is gonna go down to the VWAP. And we wanna see that holding if, yeah, because that's around 327.34 or 327. We wanna see 327 holding, because that would tell me that we're gonna keep being on an uptrend. Because remember, your 327, 326.80 range was, it used to be resistance, now it's support. So it should hold. Yes, I only have this channel. It's a new one, and this is my third video here. So This is just stupid on SPY. Who can trade this? Nobody. We were lucky that we had some stocks that moved today without the market, like Amazon, Google, even Tesla moved to the downside. But trading these, it's impossible. In fact, I'm very happy with my day today, even though we have two small losers. Like Amazon was great, it is great, still great, and the QQQ calls also were great. With the market how it's acting today, like I'm happy with what I got. More than happy. 200% on Amazon. Like, you don't need more than that. Yeah, sometimes no trade is the best trade. Also, I always say the more you trade, the more you lose. See you tomorrow, E. Thank you for being here. Thank you, Roxy. Ooh, apple, apple. Um. So yeah, guys, I think I'm done for the day. I think today with Amazon and QQQ calls, more than fine. I don't like trading at lunch time because everything's slow. I like to finish my day at 12:30, and then I keep doing whatever I do with my life. So thank you so much for being here. Like, I really, really, really appreciate you guys being here and asking me questions and giving me likes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, I see you guys tomorrow at 9:15 a.m.